Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter where I teach you guys how to make money online. Today I found another interesting website that we can make a lot of money by investing in this website, and you guys know how we normally do this, okay? So make sure that you do your research before you invest. I'm not a financial advisor, but if you follow me from the beginning of this till the end, you are going to enjoy everything one after the other. So if you want to join, what you need to do right now is to use the link in the description to register. And registration is very simple. You enter your email, you enter your login, you confirm your login, and you're going to see the invitation link. Okay, it's going to be there automatically. Then you click on this register. It's very simple. So let me log in right now. So you can see that the name of this website is vanguardinvest.org. Okay, that's vanguardinvest.org. That's the name of this website, this wonderful website. Okay, so once you enter, the first thing is to unlock the amount that's from VIP1 to VIP8. Okay, so you guys can see the VIP1 is you are going to invest $19. Okay, and your daily income is 3.2. You are going to be getting 3.2. I invested in this particular one right here. You can see I invested $19. So VIP2, we are going to invest from $100 here, and you are going to be getting 17 to 83 USDT. You can see it here. You can see $100 to 499, and you are going to be getting $17 to $83 USDT. Depends on the one you prefer. You can invest $17 or $83. Here you can see the VIP3. To unlock it, you need to invest like $500 to 1,499 USDT, and daily income you are going to be getting 82 to 260 USDT daily, and it keep going till the end of it. You can see it. This website is very simple. Like I always do, I use the small amount to start. Okay, and I invested $19, and here is recharge. If you want to recharge, you click on recharge here, and once you click on recharge, you are going to copy this link. Okay, you are going to copy this link, and once you copy it, you can transfer the amount you want to invest on. Okay, you are going to transfer it, and automatically you are going to start earning. Okay, here is if you want to talk to their customer service, you can click here and talk to their customer service. Here is withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, you are going to withdraw your money. Okay, you are earning. And here is the quantity, invest and service. This is me, everything about me. Okay, so this is very simple strategy to make money with this website. Okay, here is where you will see your team. Okay, this is where you are see your team. Anybody that you refer to this website, you are going to see them here. And remember that whenever you refer people here, you are going to get your percentage. Okay, so that's that. So you are going to do a lot of things here. You're going to do a lot of things here. Okay, so let's go back. So you can see here is the tracking, the BNB. Okay, the USDT, the ETH and Bitcoin. You can see it moving the amount. This is where they are trading. Okay, they are using the rebel. They have to trade with these pairs. You can see here, and they're going to be giving you your own percentage. You can see everything here. You can see the price of BTC today, 62. Okay, 62,996. Then you can see everything. You can track everything here. You can track everything here. Here is where you're going to read about this Vanguard group was founded by John Bogle. You can come here and read everything you need to know about this wonderful website. Okay, so here once you click on this, after you invested, the next thing is to withdraw your money automatically. Okay, it depends on the amount you invest. Like I'm going to withdraw 3.2 USDT right now by clicking on this place, this withdraw. So once you click on this withdraw, you can see that I don't have any money here to withdraw. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is to come back. Okay, so in order to withdraw, I'm going to do some tax because I invested $19. So what I'm going to do right here is to click on this quantify. So once I click on quantify, you can see that the amount that I invested is $19 here. I'm going to click on this, click below to start quantification. I click on this place. So once you click on this place, it's going to click there is a task in progress, please wait. So here I'm going to, you can see it here, this is 3.19 Okay, I click on deposit into basic wallet. I click on cancel. So this is it. This is what I just did. Everybody can see what I did. So the next thing right now is to, I'm going to go back and check this withdrawal again. So once I click on the withdrawal again, you can see 3.19200. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to paste my drone. Okay, that's USDTTRC20, that's Theta. So I'm going to click on this and paste my Theta wallet address. So I'm going to enter the withdrawal amount, which is 3.192. Okay, so once I click on that, I'm going to enter my password. So after entering my password, I'm going to click on this confirm. So you can see withdrawal success. So you can see there's no amount of money here, which means that this money have left my wallet here to my Binance, which we are going to check shortly. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this place again. Okay, this is where everything you are going to locate anything that you want to do in this website. This is a place where you are going to locate it. So the next thing that I'm going to do right now is to make sure that I wait for it to arrive, because that's what I normally do, to make sure that the coin arrived in my Binance before I can recommend this to you, because I'm doing testing to know whether this is paying. That's it. And remember what I said, that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever that you want to invest should be the one that you can afford to lose. That's simple truth. Okay, we are all taking risk in order to make money, because without risk, I don't think that we are going to survive in this world. Everything in life is about risk. Okay, so you always remember what I said, that if you have any problem, you should contact their customer care here. So once you contact their customer care, they will attend to you sharply. Okay, so this is the things that they provide here: recharge, withdrawal, help, team, and download app, activity, agent cooperation, invite your friends. Okay, so once you click on invite your friends, you are going to copy your invitation link here. So once you click on invitation link, you are going to copy it. Okay, and once you copy it, you can use it to invite your friends, and always tell them the truth that this is 50-50, either we win or we lose. And let me just tell you one thing you should know. Okay, like I give this kind of website like 5 days to make my money with profit. Okay, that's the day I always give this kind of website. And if I can make, or if the website keep growing, I will still keep making money. But normally I give it 10 days. And this is new website. Okay, which means if you hop in now, you can make a lot of money, because it's still new and everybody can make money asap. So once you copy your link, I always tell you the truth the way it is. Always tell them this is 50-50. If you want to invest what you can afford to lose. So this is it. I'm going to click on this. So remember what we discussed, or what I tell you guys here. This is home, this is quantify, this is invest, this is service, this is me. So once you click on me, you can change your password and do some things here. Here is the service, where you can contact their customer care. Here is invest, where you can invest. Okay, when you can invest here. And here is where you are going to do some task, and the task is always to come here to click on this place here. Once you click on that, you are going to earn your daily income and withdraw it asap. It's very simple and everybody can do this. So guys, you see everything here. If you want to unlock any VIP, you can come down here to unlock by clicking on unlock. Any VIP of your choice you want to unlock, you can come here and click on unlock and start earning asap. It's very simple. Hope you guys understand. If you don't understand anything here, what you need to do is to come to the comment below and tell me what you think about this website, and I'm going to help guide you on everything you need to know, or everything you need to do. So let's go to the email. Let me check whether the email have dropped to my Binance. So you can see the successful deposit. You can see it here. So once I click on this, I'm going to check whether this money to re-enter my account. You can see it here. Your deposit of 3.192 USDT is available in your Binance. This is from Binance, the email I got right now. So this is to tell you that what you are doing here is legit and is working as I'm talking to you or as I'm speaking to you. Make sure you join our WhatsApp group. Make sure you join our Telegram. Make sure that you join. Every link is in the description, and always like, share, and comment in the description below. Everything you need to do is in the description below. Okay, subscribe to this channel so that you will keep getting information that will make you a lot of money. That's what we are doing here. I talked about crypto. I talked about anything that will fetch you money into your bank account. That's what I talked here, and you can always chat me up if you have any deal so that we can make this money together. See you guys at the top. Make sure you keep winning. Make sure that you acquiring more USDT to buy these bull run coins, okay? Because it's going to be very hot. It's going to be very loud very soon, when a lot of people will be saying congratulations to you because you do the right thing. That's why we keep getting the right result. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.